Alright guys, you see this green and red color band that's overlaid on top of the chart right now, right? What I'm going to do here in this video is I'm going to show you the best trading indicator that you've never heard of, okay? And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to use this indicator to isolate, identify, and spot perfect trading signals almost every day. Because guys, this is becoming too easy right now, all right? So let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're a long-term subscriber and or customer, then you know I appreciate your support. And the reason I'm so proud of this green and red color band, which is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile, this indicator does a world-class job at predicting the starting points of trends before they actually happen. Okay, so the reason I'm so proud of this indicator is because I do think that this trading indicator can fix a lot of your guys' mistakes that you're doing with your technical analysis. As an example, how many of you guys and gals out there were using these garbage charts today? What I call these Japanese candlesticks, these Bollinger Band indicators, all this other nonsense, stochastics on the bottom. Like, this is just a complete pile of trash, right? I don't know how anybody on the face of the earth can use these garbage charts to predict trends the way that a volume chart can predict trends. You understand what I'm saying? So case in point, let me just prove this to you, okay? Let me get you guys really dialed in here, all right? I'm going to show you an easy 1, 2, 3 step pattern that I think you could teach your 6-year-old, okay? And by the time you're done watching this video, it is my mission to prove to you that anybody can find these chart patterns because they do show up on a daily basis. All right, guys. So what I've done here right now is I have flagged and identified the exact moment in time where this volume color band detected that the buyers took control. Make sense? That's what it means when the color band turns green, right? It just means that the buyers have stepped in and the buyers have overwhelmed the sellers. Now, at this exact moment in time, okay, you're on the lookout. You're not rushing in to randomly go long or buy this market. You are simply on the lookout and your bias is to the long side. Okay, so that's step 1. Easy enough. Now, step 2 is very simple. I want to wait for the market to establish some upward momentum, just like you see it do here. And a supplemental part to step number 2 is we have to see the market dip back, dip back, dip back, and give us one of these. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, what is this? Well, this is what I call a retracement, but you can call it a pullback, you can call it anything you want. Essentially, what we're waiting for is the market to come back to us, right? We don't want to chase it, let all the other retail traders and amateur traders and suckers trade the market, because what we want to do is we want to be smart, we want to be disciplined, and we want to wait for the market to give us a much better entry. What does that look like? Well, we're waiting for a green bar that prints against a green color band, and this green bar that you see me highlight here has to be underneath the color band. All right, that is what makes this a perfect setup, and just trust me, guys and gals, this seems to be happening almost on a daily basis. In fact, my last 5 videos in a row, it happened. All right, so what do you do next? Well, when this condition is true, which is this bar right here closing, all right, I would look to potentially go long this market on the open of the next bar. My stop loss would get placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex, all right? This is where your protective stop loss goes. And that's it. You are done with your trading for the day. All right, and if I show you how this trade played out, hold on a second, let me fit this back to scale here. Let me zoom out. Well, you guys know what this market did today, right? This market surged for 800 ticks straight up, and the stop loss never got touched. All right, guys and gals. So again, don't you dare tell me that trend trading doesn't work. Don't you dare tell me that retracements don't work. As far as I'm concerned, guys, this strategy and this technique is the only thing that works. So yeah, guys and gals, you know that I want to wish all of you guys that caught this trade today This was like the trade of a lifetime. There's people that sit around for weeks and sometimes even months to try to bag 800 ticks. And here we are bagging 800 ticks in a single day. And so big shout out and congratulations to all of my people who stayed disciplined today. You knew what to look for. I'm so thrilled you caught yet another trade of a lifetime, and I can't wait to see what this market's gonna give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.